Hello, hey everyone. Welcome back to another exciting dive into the world of Delaverse. Today, we're talking about the Employee Onboarding Assistant, a game changer for making new hires feel right at home from day one. Imagine welcoming your new team members with seamless support, instant answers to their questions, and all the resources they need at their fingertips. This AI agent uses smart AI to pull from your company docs, chat via Telegram, and even analyze how things are going. It's perfect for growing teams who want to save time, keep things consistent, and create a warm, efficient start for everyone. No more endless emails or confusion, just smooth sailing. Getting started is a breeze in the Delaverse playground. Log into your account, head to the dashboard, and create a new project called Employee Onboarding Assistant. From there, you'll drag and drop nodes onto your canvas to build the magic. Don't worry, it's all visual and intuitive, like assembling a puzzle that comes to life. Let's break down the key pieces that make this AI agent shine. Document Retrieval Hub. This is where your company's onboarding goodies live. Think handbooks, policies, and training docs from Google Drive or your file storage. It grabs everything new hires might need, so it's always ready to share. Smart AI Guide, the heart of the assistant. It reads your docs and answers questions in a friendly, personalized way. Set it up with your company's vibe and watch it guide new team members like a virtual buddy. Telegram Messenger connects directly to a bot on Telegram for real-time chats. New hires can ask anything, anytime, and get responses instantly. Perfect for remote or on-the-go support. Organized Container keeps all these parts neatly grouped, making it easy to manage and tweak as your team grows. And for the data lovers, the analytics engine dives into all those interactions. It spots common questions, highlights any hiccups in the process, and shows you how effective your onboarding is. You'll see trends like what info new hires seek most, helping you refine and improve over time, all in easy-to-read insights. The real payoff? Save hours of HR time on routine queries, get new hires productive faster, and build a consistent experience across your whole company. It's like giving your team a superpower for scaling up without the chaos. Happier employees, smoother operations, and more focus on what matters, like personal welcomes and growth. Want to level up? For advanced tweaks, connect a vector store to speed up searches in big doc collections. Customize the AI's prompts to match your culture perfectly, and set up regular checks on the analytics to evolve your process. Pro tip: test with sample questions early to ensure responses feel just right. It's all about that human touch. In the end, the Employee Onboarding Assistant empowers your team to onboard smarter, not harder. Track progress, fix issues on the fly, and create lasting first impressions that set everyone up for success. Ready to make onboarding effortless? Jump into Delaverse and build yours today. Your new hires and HR team will thank you.